Installing new windows is a major investment, and for homeowners in Fort Worth, double-hung windows are a popular choice thanks to their versatility and classic design. However, before moving forward with installation, it's important to understand the key factors that can impact performance, comfort, and long-term value. Taking the time to evaluate these considerations ensures you get the most out of your upgrade. One of the first things to consider is Fort Worth's climate. With hot summers, occasional cold fronts, and changing weather conditions, your windows need to handle temperature fluctuations effectively. Double-hung windows should be equipped with energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass and insulating gas fills. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during the summer and more comfortable year-round. Another important factor is energy efficiency ratings. Not all windows are created equal, and performance can vary depending on the manufacturer and materials used. Look for windows with strong energy ratings and features like low emissivity coatings. These coatings reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter, which is especially beneficial in Fort Worth where sunlight is abundant. Material selection also plays a major role in performance and maintenance. Double-hung windows are available in materials such as vinyl, wood, aluminum, and fiberglass. Vinyl is a popular choice because it is low maintenance and resistant to warping and heat. Fiberglass offers excellent durability and stability, while wood provides a traditional look but may require more upkeep. Choosing the right material depends on your priorities for appearance, durability, and maintenance. Ventilation needs should also be taken into account. One of the key benefits of double-hung windows is their ability to open from both the top and bottom. This allows for improved airflow, which can be especially useful during cooler mornings and evenings in Fort Worth. Consider where ventilation is most needed in your home and plan window placement accordingly to maximize airflow. Another consideration is the condition of your existing window openings. Before installation, it's important to assess whether any structural repairs or adjustments are needed. Issues such as water damage, uneven frames, or poor insulation around the opening can affect how well the new windows perform. Addressing these concerns beforehand ensures a smoother installation and better long-term results. Installation quality is just as important as the windows themselves. Even the best double-hung windows will not perform properly if they are not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the windows are level, properly sealed, and securely fitted. This prevents air leaks, drafts, and moisture intrusion, all of which can impact comfort and efficiency in Fort Worth homes. Budget planning is another key factor. While it may be tempting to choose the most affordable option, it's important to consider long-term value. Higher quality windows may come with a higher upfront cost, but they often provide better energy savings, durability, and performance over time. Setting a realistic budget that balances cost and quality helps ensure a worthwhile investment. Style and design should also be part of your decision. Double-hung windows come in a variety of finishes, colors, and grid patterns, allowing you to match your home's architectural style. In Fort Worth neighborhoods, where curb appeal matters, selecting a design that complements your home can enhance both its appearance and value. Maintenance requirements are another aspect to think about. Double-hung windows are generally easy to maintain, especially those with tilt and sashes for convenient cleaning. However, different materials may require different levels of care. Understanding these needs helps you choose an option that fits your lifestyle. Finally, consider long-term performance and warranty coverage. A reliable warranty provides peace of mind and protects your investment. Be sure to review what is covered and ensure that proper installation is included to maintain warranty validity. In the end, installing double-hung windows in Fort Worth homes requires careful planning and consideration. From energy efficiency and materials to installation and design, each factor plays a role in how well your windows perform. By taking the time to evaluate these elements, Homeowners can make informed decisions and enjoy the comfort, functionality, and value that double-hung windows provide for years to come.